Hello everybody, thank you for watching another video. This is my next project. It is an Underwood.No.1 typewriter made in 1899. I'll be doing a bit of a video series on this because it is a unique piece. It was introduced in 1896, made until 1900, and considered to be the first commercially successful typewriter that has shaped the typewriter for the better part of a century. They have the front strike design, the 4-row keyboard, the shift mechanism that really didn't change for the next 100 years. Very few examples exist today. I think there's about 4 or 5 currently in various collections, but hardly any of them, of the 40,000 or thereabouts that were made, are left. And this is one of them. I bought it in Montreal, I just got it, and I'm very excited to get into it. I know an Underwood #5 like the back of my hand. I can take one apart blindfolded down to the last screw and know how to put it back together. But I've learned already that this machine mechanically is completely different to a #5. I'll be uploading a comparison video to give you a bit of insight because it shows you the differences in design, mechanical concept. These machines were designed by Wagner and sold by John Underwood and Company, which is why they are called Underwood, even though they were made by Wagner. Later on, they were exclusively manufactured by Underwood, and there were some fundamental differences and changes to the design. I'll also upload a typing sample as soon as it's in working condition because it's currently not, but we'll get there. Anyways, stay tuned.